Today we're going to show you how to go live, and you can actually go live with 50 subscribers. You go click on the icon, and this is using your phone, YouTube. It will take you to this page that you see a little plus sign to the bottom. You're going to click on that page. Once that is done, this screen will pop up, go live. If you don't have enough subs, then this is a screen that will tell you that you need to have at least 50 subscribers to unlock the streaming. All right, you can also go ahead and check out this. It will all actually tell you need at least 50 subscriber to live stream. It might take a little while, and the entire works. Now, if you have more than 50, then this is a screen that will appear. It's going to tell you that you're going to be going live. You get an opportunity to take a picture, which I just did. And these are the other options that you will see below. You can go public or private. Then you click next. And once you click next, it takes you to this screen telling you that you are going live. There it is. I hope you did learn something today. And if you do, you know exactly what to do. Go ahead, go live, try it out.